Hi there. In this video, we'll be covering how to activate and how to use the integration between YCharts and Pershing. To get started, hover over the support dropdown at the top of the screen and navigate to the integrations page. Here, we'll find a list of all the available integrations that YCharts has to offer. We'll find the Pershing integration listed here at the bottom, and note the status listed as inactive. To activate, select the Manage dropdown at the right side of the screen and select Activate. To connect your integration, you'll need to reach out to your relationship manager at Pershing. They'll submit a project request form internally on your behalf and provide us with the necessary credentials. We have this text readily available that you can copy by simply left-clicking on the blue text here, and then use to paste into your email or note to your Pershing relationship manager. Once they provide us with those necessary credentials, we'll enter them into the system and notify you that your integration has been activated. You'll also find that reflected on the integrations page, with the status updating to display as active. And now know that you're able to start using the integration. To do so, hover over the Tools dropdown and head to the Model Portfolios page. To import holdings, use the dropdown in the top right of the screen, which will list all the active integrations. So I'll go ahead and select Pershing, which will prompt me to search and select a client, as well as an account that I want to import holdings for. Once I make those selections and select Import, this will launch me into the Model Portfolio Editor, where I can view those imported holdings, as well as further edit the settings of this model portfolio, whether it be adding an advisory fee, switching out the benchmark, setting a rebalancing frequency, and more. Once ready, select the Save button in the top right of the screen to kick off the calculation for this model portfolio. Once finished calculating, I can find that model portfolio on the list page here. I can also search for this model portfolio by name using the search bar in the top of the screen. By selecting or opening this model portfolio, this will lead me to its quote page, where I can start to view all the great data that YCharts has to offer. I can view performance information, key stats, which I can customize, asset allocation data, top holdings information, risk information, and more. I can also jump into these different tabs for a more in-depth view of that data. I can generate reports on this model portfolio, whether it be a single overview or tear sheet, or a comparison report of a side-by-side or multi-comparison. I can also use quick flows to quickly jump into some common workflows and further extend my analysis. If you have any further questions on how to activate or how to use this integration, please feel free to reach out to your YCharts support representative.